Hi guys, hope you are doing well and you are watching Go IT Center, and in this video I'm going to show you that how we can install latest Microsoft Office 365 or latest Office. In this video we will learn that how we can deploy it. So first of all, in order to install genuine official Microsoft Office, you have to go onto the Chrome browser. Then you have to type Office deployment tool. So once you type the Office deployment tool, you will have a official website of Microsoft. Then you have to click on that, and once you click on that, then you have to click onto the download. So the file will be downloaded instantly, and you have to copy this file, cut, and then you have to paste inside the C drive. You have to create one folder, then paste it over here. Then once you paste it, then you have to double click on it, hit yes, accept. Then you have to select the same drive where we have created a folder Office, and then click OK. The file will be exported, and so it has been exported. So now we have to go onto the Microsoft website, and we have to search for the customization Office tool, Office customization. Once you click it, then you will have a official website of Microsoft 365. Then you have to click on it. Then you have to select your operating system, obviously 64-bit, and then you have to select the latest Office. So latest Office is 2024 Professional Plus. Then you have to scroll down it, then select your required apps. I don't need it. That's it. And then hit next. Once you hit the next, then you have to scroll down it. All is good here. Now we have to select language here. So we have to select English United States. And then you have to scroll down it, then hit next. Once you hit next, then you have to scroll down it, hit next, then scroll down it, then uninstall any MSI version. So if you have already Office, you have to keep this option on, because I am performing the installation onto the fresh system. So if you have already Office, so you can uninstall that Office first from the control panel. Simply you have to uninstall it, then you have to follow these steps. Since my system is fresh Windows, so I'm not going to install anything from the control panel because I don't have the Office right now. So just keep this option off, and then scroll down it, then apply, hit next, then hit next, and then next, and then finally finish it. Once you finish it, then you have to export the file. So you have to export the XML file, Office Open XML formats. Click on that, then hit OK. Now you have to select the terms and condition. You can change the configuration file if you want, change the configuration file name if you want. So export, the file will be exported. Once the file is exported, you have to cut this file, cut it and paste inside the Office folder. Once done, then you have to open the command line. Then you have to go inside the C drive. Then file name, let me check out the Office, remove this file. Now try again. Now you have to run this CMD as a run as administrator. Run as administrator. Then so you can see that setup has been started. Wait for a second. Wait for a second, it will be appear shortly. So setup has been started. So installation is being started, and hopefully it will be done within 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer, and I will be back shortly. Office has been installed successfully. You can see that we are all set. Now let's check any app like Excel. Let's click on that. Accept, close. Now you can see that we have successfully installed latest Microsoft Office 365 in front of you, and now you can use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.